Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome back to the Wall Street Bull. Anthony here. I hope you're all doing well and staying positive out there. It is never a dull and boring moment in crypto, finance, or the stock market. That is why I love doing daily market updates. Now today, it is just after 7:30 in the morning here in Melbourne. I'm going to be doing videos early morning, just given the fact that my days are getting quite busy. However, when I wake up in the morning, there is so much news coming out from the United States because, again, it's very annoying, but all of the incredible news happens whilst we're sleeping here in Melbourne, and it's annoying. But anyway, we're going to get into this now. There is quite a bit that came out overnight. We've got CME Group now launching futures Bitcoin trading, which is going to be very, very bullish. XRP whales are buying up a lot of XRP. Global liquidity cycle set to push crypto into the next massive bull market. This is what I was going to mention yesterday. Stuart Algorand, very positive on the SEC losses, which is nice as well. This is an interesting article though, crypto influencers. And I thought I'd bring this up because there's been a study done on crypto influencers that have been pushing these cryptos and altcoins because they're probably, 99.9% of the time paid to shill these cryptocurrencies. So of course there's going to be losses. We're going to get into that. 937 institutional investors, it's still early guys, are holding Bitcoin ETFs. So that's 937. We're going to get into that. Say Token has just released a new roadmap, which is bullish, and going to be going over some altcoins that Raoul Pal is extremely bullish on, and that is Solana and a couple of other gems. So make sure you stick around. I'm going to quickly go over my trading bots as well, which are really nice at the moment. They're all in profit. So we're going to get into that. Let's get into the video. Massive shout out and thank you to every single one of you who have subscribed to the channel. I really appreciate it. Thank you very much. If you are new, make sure you smash the subscribe button down there. Turn on that little bell notification as well, because as you can see right here, I absolutely love documenting my journey with investing with cryptos, dividend stocks, growth stocks, talking about passive income, building financial freedom, and of course, my goal at the end of the day is to build generational wealth. So come along this incredible journey. Things are getting quite insane in this space. Also, if you can give this video a thumbs up or watch it straight through, it would really help me push this channel out to a lot more people, because the YouTube algorithm is absolute magic when you find, ladies and gentlemen. Do that, so make sure you give it a good thumbs up. It doesn't cost you anything, it's down there. Thank you very much, you guys rock. Also, a little disclaimer, I am not a financial advisor. Please do your own research and due diligence with this stuff, right? I don't want to see anyone get financially hurt, but you can lose money like this in the blink of an eye in crypto. So please be careful out there. Do your own research and due diligence. This video is for educational and entertainment purposes only. All right, ladies and gentlemen, the formalities are out of the way. And again, coming up to 7:40 a.m. here in Melbourne. Very interestingly, this is Chainlink, okay? This is why I always speak about utility cryptocurrencies. Chainlink is definitely part of that list. Basically, they have completed a test with US banking giants like JP Morgan, Franklin Templeton, BNY Mellon, and many other banks to accelerate tokenization. That is very, very bullish news coming out this morning. Yes, there are 937 institutional investors reported holding Bitcoin ETFs. So this is growing every single day, apart from the weekends, because you can't buy on the weekends on Wall Street. But anyway, that is bullish news. We're going to get into that as well. Yes, whales have accumulated $55 million worth of XRP. Indeed, over a 14-day span, these large-scale holders basically had added more than 110 million tokens to their holding. That is bullish. Top altcoins in my portfolio. Whilst I'm having my espresso, I probably had two of them at the moment, but we had Nexra this morning, Phantom, Ravane, T-Fuel, and Constellation DAG. Some very, very nice gems. Let's go to Coin market cap today and see what's going on here. We do have a market cap up today, 1.5%. That's 2.35 trillion. Dominance for Bitcoin sitting at 54. The volume is increasing, which is really, really nice to see that. The trading volume at $84.76 billion. This needs to get well up about the, the 150 to 200 billion dollars, and then we'd be, going back to those all-time highs. Fear and Greed Index is sitting at 61. Bitcoin is slightly down this morning here in Australia. Anyway, 65,000 US dollars. Ethereum's at 2,900. Solana is back up. It touched $161 overnight, which is good. That is sitting at 158. I'm incredibly bullish on Solana. XRP's at 51 cents. Dogecoin 15 cents. Cardano's at 45. We have Hedera at 11 cents. ICP $12. Litecoin at $82. Now again, where is... let's have a look here. Chainlink. Let's just see if we can scroll up because again, that is just very, very bullish news coming out today. We've got Theta at $2.18. Quant is at 94. Actual fact, let's just go straight to the charts because that's actually my portfolio. Chainlink, 12.25%. Huge news today. Pumping. Really, really nice. That is incredible. There you go. This is what I'm talking about. Utility is absolute king. You cannot overlook a utility. It's as simple as that. Hedera's 11 cents again. Aptos, $8.31. Interesting article coming out about Aptos with Raoul Pal. We're going to get into that. Follow the money, guys. XLM is at 10 cents today as well. VeChain 3 cents. Sui's $1.02. That's up 2.48%. I'm bullish on Sui. Slowly accumulating that. Say as well, the new roadmap has been released. Quant 94. WorldCoin $4.87. Very, very nice gems, still incredibly undervalued. And of course, XDC, XYO, Reef, I'm very bullish on these cryptocurrencies. Anyway, let's go to Crypto Bubbles quickly. Wall Street Bull University is linked below. This is my incredible Patreon page where I put up a lot of information. I've been posting up there all morning as well. Also in the chat feature, you can speak to everybody. I put up all my buys, sells, trades, indicators, trading bots you can literally copy, which are going quite well at the moment. So go join up to that. More importantly, my dividend investing, which provides cash flow every single month. No BS. It's absolutely incredible. That all gets shared in the Wall Street Bull University. And there's also a chat feature in here where you can message everybody and you can also direct message me, which makes things a lot easier. And it's so much better than Discord, just making that point very clear. There is over 2,003 posts in here of juicy information, all right? So it would be considered financial advice, but that's the reason why I've got the Wall Street Bull University. Go join up, guys. Yes, quick look at Crypto Bubbles. Chainlink is up 12% today. It's still up 130 on the year. It's at $15. This was a hell of a lot higher during the previous bull market. I'm just making that very clear. We have Phantom as well. This is in my portfolio, up 107% this year. It's at 80 cents. It's actually doing quite well, 17% on the week, 23% on the month. That is very, very bullish right there. And of course, everything else here, still incredibly undervalued. We are still early in this space. I mean, XRP is at 51 cents, 14.7%. When this case ends with the SEC, XRP will move a hell of a lot higher than what it's sitting at right now. There's going to be so much news about this. And this has been dragging on now for like 3 years. And we're at the final stage for this stupid lawsuit from Gary Gensler. Honestly, my crypto bots on 3 commas, by the way, the link is below for this, are all in profit today. This is all profit. Really, really nice to see this. My 195 pair trading bot on Bybit is actually doing quite well. Also, just having a quick look, by the way, links are below for this, and you can copy all the bots that I'm running on 3 commas in the Patreon. You can see down here, I've got 46 positions opened up. They're all long positions, most of them in profit, which is good as well. And these have been trading for me 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. There are 92 open orders in the book, which is incredible as well. So I am going to be adding more capital into this today because I want to increase that. Also, the spot trading bots on 3 commas are also working very, very nice on OKX. I'm still using that for the spot trading. Currently up today, which is nice. And on the month, we've got $277. So I'm not complaining about that. I am going to be deploying more capital to these. Quick look at this on the news. So I want to keep these videos short in the morning. Futures Exchange, CME plans to launch Bitcoin trading, which is bullish as well. CME Group, the world's largest futures exchange, is planning to launch Bitcoin trading, aiming to capitalize on surging demand this year among Wall Street money managers to gain exposure to crypto sector, which is very, very nice. And the Chicago-based group has been holding discussions with traders who want to buy and sell cryptocurrencies on a regulated marketplace, according to 3 people with direct knowledge, basically with the talks right now. The plan is not, finalized, but would mark a further encroachment by major Wall Street institutions into the digital asset space. That is very, very nice as well. Keep a close eye on that because Wall Street money is getting, big in this space. That is for sure. XRP Whales banking on a massive bull run. This is incredible though. In an ever-shifting waters of crypto market, Ripple XRP Whales have recently made a big move. accumulating a remarkable 110 million XRP valued at around $55 million. Juicy. This surge is buying activity comes from a critical juncture for the Ripple, for Ripple as the company navigates the challenging legal battle with the SEC. Despite the regulatory headwinds, the significant accumulation by large investors as a beacon of confidence, again, with the embattled digital asset. That is incredible. They're still buying it, even though this lawsuit is still going on. Even though we know for a fact that, XRP is not a security to retail investors. This was also an article that I was going to bring up. Look at all these pop-ups. It is so ridiculous. Let me just get rid of it because I want to get to the news. And I was going to mention this on my video last night, but I couldn't find the video. But anyway, we've got former Goldman Sachs executive Raoul Pal thinks that the global liquidity cycle will drive crypto prices higher. I totally agree. It will happen. Real Vision chief executive also notes the global liquidity increases in the crypto macro summers. Obviously, in 2020, it went bananas because of the pandemic. But 2016, 2012, but these were good periods for liquidity. And guess what? Crypto technology, they all rose. Then you get into fall, and fall is often when the real fireworks happen. Liquidity keeps pumping and eventually tops out into winter. That's when you get corrections. The crypto market's down cycles. So we've got the best two parts of the cycle to come, which is nice. Solana Bitcoin cross as well. Solana ETH chart looks compelling. That I'm like, if my job here is to make as much money as possible, I'm just going to own the thing I think that is going to go up the most. And again, he's incredibly bullish on Solana. We all know this. Yes, we've got the Ripple lawyer, Stuart Alderodi, Chief Legal Officer, has celebrated a recent bipartisan vote in the US Senate to kill anti-crypto SEC rulings right here, which again happened overnight, which is interesting as well. Yes, we've got an interesting article right here, Ben Armstrong. The research reveals the significant long-term losses from crypto influencers' advice, highlighting the risk of uncertainty taking free investment advice. I just want to point out, if you're following some individuals that basically shill cryptocurrencies, like one-off videos, dedicated videos on cryptocurrency, coins, those projects pay the YouTube influencers to shill out their BS and their bullshit. So I just want to make this very clear that I've never been paid to do that, and I won't do that because I've seen what happens to people and influencers when things go bad, right? And I don't want that on my channel. More to the point, it's amazing that some people still continue to do this, and young investors want to buy up the dip. They buy meme coins, BS, rather than focusing literally on true utility. This is what people need to understand. It's true utility. It's very, very important to focus on where the real new world payment rails are being built on. Projects and partnerships are incredibly important. Doesn't matter what business it is. I mean, there are, the likes of Ripple partnering with hundreds and hundreds of banks, institutions, derivatives market. You've got Quant partnering again with banks, institutions, and governments, I should say, as well. Look at Solana partnering with Visa, Hedera. The governing council has got corporations that, all of us use every single day without us even knowing. Chainlink doing exactly the same thing. Algorand, IOTA, XDC. Real world utility. Focus on that and you will see what's happening. And if you notice, all of the news at the moment is solely based on utility and partnerships. Utility cryptos with partnerships that are incredibly bullish, like I just showed you with Chainlink. Anyway, you can do as you like. Everyone's free to do whatever they like, ladies and gents. Anyway, I'm not going to get into the other ones because I want to get through this. But the net inflow today, we've got money going into XRP Solana. We have Sui, which again, I'm incredibly bullish on as well. Dogecoin, I'm still holding it. I did sell a large portion of that to put it into Bitcoin when it was like 80 cents Australian. And we have Bitcoin as well, which is nice. A quick look at X, and then we're going to end up on here. And again, all the news comes out overnight in the United States, which is fascinating, right? Thank you to those 6,400 plus people on X. You guys rock. Thomas, Fidelity buys 2,000 Bitcoin worth $131 million, which is nice. Solana did top out at $161 last night. Had everyone sort of followed what I did, and that was buy when FTX collapsed. Again, I got in at Solana at $22 and I've been holding it since. There you go. ARK also buys another $38 million. That is Kathy Woods. The US Senate votes to overturn the SEC rule preventing highly regulated firms from actually holding Bitcoin and crypto. That is bullish news coming out of the United States. Morgan Stanley discloses $269 million investment in Grayscale ETF, which is interesting. And yes, there are 937 financial firms disclosed spot Bitcoin ETFs in Q1. That is incredible. Ash Crypto, yes, thank you for this tweet. Chainlink again. Here are the companies. This is what I'm talking about. Look at the utility. Invesco. I hold stocks in Invesco. I hold stocks in JP Morgan, BNY Mellon. I mean, this is what I'm talking about right here. Not shilling some BS meme coin because the companies pay the influencer to do that. Focus on utility bulls. Grayscale, positive inflow of 4.6 million. This is a good sign. Plan B, 2017 vibes. I agree. We're well and truly on our way to a full-blown bull market. And let's have a look down here. President Trump basically vows to support cryptocurrencies in the United States. That is very, very bullish. And Cynthia Loomis urges the Senate to vote yes on legislation that would that allow highly regulated firms to actually hold Bitcoin and crypto. That is very, very bullish news right there. Anyway, I'm out of here, guys. Thank you so much. I appreciate every single one of you. Make sure you join the Wall Street Bull University. I'm going to try and do daily updates in the morning because it just gives me time to focus and get it done. And I'll speak to everyone tomorrow in the video. Stay safe. Have a good day, good afternoon, good morning. And if it's morning, have an espresso like I'm going to do now, Bulls. All right, take care of yourselves. Peace out.